Earn thousands by selling AI generated art. So the first step you'll be doing is opening any of your web browsers. That's Google Chrome, Opera GX, Microsoft Edge, any one of them, and write down google.com. After that, you will be writing at the search bar app.leonardo.ai. So if you're using Leonardo.ai for the first time, you have to do a sign up, you have to create an account. And I've already made a video on starting on Leonardo.ai. So if you have any problem in signing in, or if you want to create an account for free, I've already made a video about Leonardo.ai, so you can look through that. So we're opening our Leonardo.ai app. So I've already generated some of my AI generated images. So let's get to that. So this is the first one, and this is looking absolutely beautiful. This is my first AI art image generated I did. So it's called a medieval German castle that's surrounded by mountains. It's a high fantasy digital art. So as you can see, this is how Leonardo.ai generated my image. And of course, I used high resolution contrast boost. I used resonance of 20, prompt magic V3 strength 0.6. I used all of the input dimensions, the guidance scale, etc. to generate this image. So if you write down this prompt and maybe it's a different looking, image, you have to use the same alchemy and photo. You shouldn't use photoreal. It's a better version right now, but you should use alchemy and also input dimension of 768 by 512. And this is how I got my image. My next image is this one. This is a fantasy art again, and this is looking absolutely amazing. This is a cottage that's overgrown with ancient trees. It's a high fantasy digital art. The same thing I did with the medieval castle, but I use the same settings, nothing different, just a different prompt, and see how good it's looking. This can be used as a poster. This can be used as a storybook telling. This can be used in anything, and that's where we can sell our art. But right now we are creating it. So that's our two pictures. This is our third one, and this is looking absolutely amazing. This is again a fantasy art. This is I've also generated by Leonardo.ai. Here I did not use a high resolution. It's because that I used a fantasy pirate ship sailing to blue bioluminescent sea. So it's basically that I did not use high resolution, or my output wouldn't be the same. So I use a contrast boost of 0.75, resonance of 22, prompt magic V3 stand of 0.6, and the output resolution 1152 by 768. And this is how I got my pirate ship. The next one is a nebula, and this is looking absolutely amazing. The nebula is like a galaxy. This is space related. So I did a vast swirling nebula stretches from. I gave a very long description, so this took a very much long time. But I like the output. This is our output, and we can sell this for a poster or something. But this is looking absolutely amazing. So this is how we created art. Let's dive down again. Let's in conclusion go to Leonardo.ai, write down your prompts, and that's it. Just write down your prompt. Use your settings. Settings is the most wise thing you should do when you create AI art, because mostly the computer is doing the art for you. So you have to input that data. So if I want a contrast boost of 0.80, so I'll write that down. So that's how Leonardo.ai will understand what type of picture I want. So it's just like coding. You're telling the computer what you want to add in your picture. So the first thing you will be doing is opening any of your web browsers. That may be Google Chrome, Opera GX, Microsoft Edge, any one of them, and write down google.com. So after writing google.com, our first website is artsy.ai. So after writing down artsy.ai on your search keyboard, you would be seeing the website called artsy.ai AI Made Marketplace. So what is this basically? So this is a marketplace related to AI generated stuff. So these are pictures that are AI generated and which you can buy or sell them. So as you can see, people have created some of the best AI generated images here, and they're looking really really good. So there are more websites that you can sell, but this is the number one I'm talking about. So this is artistry.ai. It's a really good AI generated marketplace. And let's take example of this AI generated picture, my angel. So this is, I think, around $29 to $38. I think so. Let's see that later. But as you can see, this is a beautiful piece of artwork. As you can see, this is looking amazing. So this is a AI generated piece. This is called my angel. This you can post this as a portrait. You can go to your living room. You can get this as a frame and you can post it there. It's really simple and it's really looking good. So this is number one website. It's called rc.ai, and you can sell your AI generated masterpiece here. The other one is Etsy.com. So this is a website. This is also a marketplace, and where people are selling their AI generated formats. As you can see, these are prompts. People are selling some of the prompts. People are selling cute kawaii stickers. There's some of them are doing prompts. Some are doing Van Gogh cat looking at the moon. These are all AI generated images, and they are basically putting on a frame, or they're like this one. So they're putting on a frame, or maybe they're just sharing you the digital artwork, and you can just post it as a frame like this. So as you can see, this is looking good, and I think this one looks good also. This is basically a dog in a portrait, and it's for 25.99 $26 plus, and it's looking really good. It's really looking good. It's giving you examples, and as you can see, these are some best sellers. And yeah, this is a star seller, so this means he has 2,358 reviews, and they are looking good. So and most majority of them are 5 stars. Not majority, all of them are 5 stars. And wow, so this is the person who's selling AI generated art. uh, he's a star seller, and he's selling these type of pictures, pet portraits. And yes, this is Etsy.com. You can sell your AI generated art pieces here. So the other one is Zazzle.com. So here, as you can see, people have pasted, majority of them have done in a portrait format. So they get their, AI generated art pieces, and they print them and then post them as a frame or on a poster, as like this one. Or there are more of them, as you can see. These are really looking good. And let's take example of this UFO based art piece. So as you can see, look at this. So this is a psychedelic UFO fantasy art photo print. So this is basically a print, and as you can see, this is like a poster type. So the person did his art piece through some AI generated images, and he just posted, and he just did this printed this on a poster. So it's really good. It's for $9.86, and he's basically selling. He's selling the same thing on his T-shirt. He's selling the same thing on his mug, and it's really looking good. It's really looking good. And this guy has 11,612 reviews. And wow, so this guy for this product has 296, and majority of them are 5 stars, and these are looking extremely good. This is the UFO one, and as you can see, the item is trending. 17 people are viewing this design, including me, and it's really looking good. So Zaddle is a place where you can sell your AI art. But last but not least, the other website that's selling your art is ArtStation. So this is also a marketplace, and as you can see, this is really looking good. You can see this is looking good. They're selling their art pieces here. They're really looking good. Majority of them are portraits. And yeah, let's take example of this. So he's a digital artist, and as you can see, wow, this is looking amazing. So this is his poster, and it's wow, it's looking really 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 good. And he's selling this, and you can also, this is like not Quora. I think this is a type of Pinterest, so you can also view others, and you can also buy them. You can sell them. It's amazing, as you can see. So this is the this is the website which you can sell your art pieces. So yes, so I hope you enjoyed. So this is Adobe podcast, and here you can sell your stock images. There you can go to the website called stock.adobe.com, and here you can sell your stock free images. Here you can sell your vector art, illustrations, your stock music and audio, royalty free templates, stock photos. You can just literally assign here. It's called sell. You can create a Adobe ID account, and that's it. And you can start selling. So as you can see, there are different type of stock photo categories: backgrounds, nature, sports, medical. Let's go to space. And if you remember, I made a picture that was related to space, the AI generated image, and I can sell it through here. So as you can see, these are some stock free photos related to space, and some of them is AI generated. Seem like this is a AI generated image. This is a AI generated images. So as you can see. So this is you can sell your AI generated images also to stock images through Adobe Stock. You can simply use your AI art through print on demand. You can literally start your online business through print on demand through Printify by selling your AI art. For example, let's say if you have a design, a AI generated design of maybe a motorcycle. Okay, a motorcycle AI generated design. You can simply go to Printify, sign up, log in, can reprint your t-shirt design, 850 products, not only t-shirts, caps, merchandise, etc. You can customize your design, you can paste your design, you can preview and sample, and you can publish. It's that simple. Let's take an example that you have created your own design. As you can see here, these are some designs that you may have created through AI. So you can literally use them as your designs, and you can literally sell them for high profits, best selection, rubber scaling, anything. You can not only do only for t-shirts, but you can do for your caps, for mugs, phone cases, beanies, etc. You can create your own custom products. You can sell your own terms, and Printify this handles the fulfillment. That's it. You can also connect your Printify to many stores. For example, Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Wix.com, and many more. So it's that simple. You can use print on demand products as you can sell them to Printify by using AI generated art. So Art Grab, where you can sell your album covers, your AI generated album covers for free. You can sell them for free, and then if your artwork is really standing out, then maybe you can go for sale. So example, let's take this album cover. This is a really album cover, and it's selling for $116. So if you want to buy, you can buy now. So this is a very easy, lucrative business. You can just create simple, album covers that are really good. And as you can see, this is also looking good. All of these are AI generated, and as you can see, these are looking excellent. So you can sell in this website for free. But if you're a buyer perspective, you're buying it for $116. So just to sell, you just have to create an account, and that's it. And if you're lucky enough, if a music artist likes your album, he will buy it. So it will go a commission. So if example, if you're selling your art for $100, $50 the art grab will take for the commission. So it's that easy. Just create AI album covers, just like I did. I created some best album AI covers, in which I'm also selling the same website. So let's preview that also. Number one example is this. I made this AI cover. All of the text and this one I used for Canva, but the image I used it from my AI image generator. The next one is the rising. As you can see, this is really also looking good. The text and the symbols I used editing software called Canva, but the background image, I've used AI image generations, and I've made also more using AI. It's completely free to make The only point is it just takes your hard work. That's it. Like it does not even take amount of money. AI image generations are free, and I've already told them about you in my previous videos. It's you just it's just selling your piece of art. That's it, for completely free. And Art Grab is just a website in which you can sell your art for free. And if a buyer is lucky, you can buy it from you depending on the price. You can sell your prompts through prompt base. So you can sell your AI prompts. It's maybe Midjourney, maybe ChatGPT, Stable Diffusion, Leonardo.ai, DALI E, many more. So for example, I'll give you an example right here. So I made this AI image through AI. So Leonardo.ai. I made this through Leonardo.ai. So people will of course want to know what prompt did I use, what settings did I use, what characteristics I used. So it's that simple. Your prompt is the main key towards your art. So if you have a very good prompt and generate images like this, you can just sell them. It's easy money. It just takes your hard work. Again, you can completely sell this from a seller perspective for free, and a buyer perspective you can buy it. It depends on the price. So if I'm selling this exact prompt for maybe $25, so some commission, $5 commission will go to prompt base, and and the other money will go towards to me. So there are a lot of prompts you can see. This splash art, artworks, this nostalgic vintage clip arts, Barking dogs illustrations from $4. There's $3, $2. It's vintage, vintage dulling, shabby chic watercolor interiors, news prompts, as you can see, bright children illustrations, Christmas clip art, watercolors. You can sell your prompts for here completely free. IM5 is a place where you can sell your AI art here. As you can see, these are Japanese art. This is all AI generated autumn design ideas. Here you can sell your art designs, your AI generated pictures here for completely free. They accept in canvases, as you can see. Let's take an example of this Tokyo, Japan travel. So currently it's out of stock, but the product is excellent. It has 4,697 reviews on Trustpilot. So this is an art print, and as you can see, this is looking good. So the IM5 provides you the frames, and yeah, they provide you the frames. You just have to submit your AI generated art, and they will take some commission out of you for selling in their website, same as usual, but nothing more. So it's just taking commission out of you. That's it. And yes, you can sell your AI generated pictures here for completely free, and you can earn money through that.